Greetings and salutations, everybody. We've been waiting 3 years to make this video. We are here today, finally, to ride Iron Gwazi. It is the start of the Platinum Pass holder previews, so let's go get in line to ride front row and probably stay to ride every row. Let's see how many rides I can get in today. Got my shirt that I bought forever ago. Well, when you show up late because you live 2 hours away, the line's already down the thing there. But let's go get in the line anyways. Crazy. We're all the way back here in the cafe at the end of the line. And it's still got about an hour before we open up. Oh man. Let's go. We're finally here. It's happening. We're here. Oh man. We've waited so long for these walls to be done to walk through here. Comes. Waited 3 years for this train, and it's finally here. We're gonna ride front row. Here we are. 3 years in the making, and we've made it. Front row. Woo! Anytime. God, that was amazing.
Oh, I can't wait to do it.
Woo! Oh, I can't wait for the back row. That was amazing in the front row. Let's go do it again. Here we go, guys. Woo! There we go. Amazing! You know what else is amazing? Iron Gwazi! There we go! Ride number 3! It'll take a whole minute to get up here. Here we go! That was amazing! I'm gonna face it forward one. I haven't got one of those yet.
They're kind of gone.
And that is going to do it for our incredible night and day here at Busch Gardens to ride Iron Gwazi. We did 5 rides all day. We were here all day. The ride went down like 3 times. Once because of rain, twice because of wind. Too windy. That was weird, but whatever. It was still a great coaster. Awesome coaster. I'm gonna have to say I like the front row the best. The back row was a nice little ride that whips you around, but the front was just something better. I don't know. We're gonna have to come back and ride it a bunch of times more, because 5 times just isn't enough. We tried to do a bunch of times today, but it was just way too busy today. Oh, they closed it early. I'm going home. It was amazing. So amazing. If you like what I do, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down there so you know when I go on my next adventures. And until then, later days. And we'll see you on the next one.